Hey guys, how's it going? Today we're gonna talk about DevolvedAi as well as their layer 1 chain called Argocoin they're building and the token that they recently launched that also got listed on MaxC. I'll give you the rundown of what they do, we go through the white paper, the long-term vision, the facts that the team behind it is mostly doxed, and a couple cool things that they're working on. Now, as you know, as always, it's not financial advice. Considering the market cap, it is in the micro cap category of less than $10 million, so if there's something like a huge marketing push, keep in mind the price can fluctuate quite a lot. But since the data started tracking over here, for the past 2 weeks or so, the price has been fairly stable. They are revolutionizing AI with Argochain, the layer 1 blockchain, transparent, decentralized, community driven. AI for the people, by the people, with Argocoin that is listed on MaxC. Experience AI like never before, community powered, fully transparent, where your voice drives innovation. Join us in creating the first truly decentralized AI powered by AGC. In case you can't sign up to MaxC to buy the token if you want to, let's say you're an American citizen and your KYC doesn't work, you can use Uniswap for example as well and simply copy paste this address down here, change your network in the top right corner to Polygon, and for the token select Argocoin by copy pasting it, understand, and done. Keep in mind there will be some slippage needed considering that it's still a low market cap coin. They foster global collaboration in creating AI models, decentralized applications, and advanced LLMs. Now the coin behind that, the reason why it's crypto based, is in order to drive incentives, boost participation, and making the network more secure. So contributors to what they do earn the token by providing data, contributing GPU power, or by participating in DAO functions, or for a collaborative and dynamic environment. So you could think of, for example, when it comes to, I would say like Google by itself, ChatGPT, anything else, there's a bias. Like you can't just ask certain questions and get a real answer. The answer is always biased. If you were to ask for the top 10 restaurants nearby, there's a good chance that simply based on marketing, they are ranked as top 10, not based on quality. And that on a larger scale means AI eventually has to break free from control in centralized giants, free from biases, censorship, and monopolistic control, in order to get its full potential, you could say. Now, the white paper has a lot of different pages and articles that you can read one by one, but let's focus on the most important things, I think. Again, link is down below, read about this for yourself. But let's start with the unique selling points on why anybody should pick them out of all the AI-based coins that are out there. They got reinforced learning from human feedback, proof of value, federated or distributed, decentralized learning, you could say, with additional governance, DAO structure, and the integration of Athena. Now, Athena, we heard a couple times by now. What is that? It represents the pinnacle of AI evolution within their ecosystem. It's a large language model that is designed to ingest validated contributor data in the decentralized manner and uses different techniques to train models in order to create a decentralized user-centric AI ecosystem. Everything in here with their community incentives so you get rewarded for the effort that you put in, all placed together, whether it's decentralized storage, Athena over here, the unity of communities, and they can all be used in various different things. When it comes to medicine and pharmaceuticals, education, research, GPU miners, or even real-world assets, content creators, and gamers. Now in this case, I create content right now, and it can be used to ensure protection of intellectual property for content creators. So pretty much if anybody else uses my content and takes part of this video, I would know, ensures data integrity, and a lot more. Now they are partnered with a couple known projects in crypto, I would say. For example, Kip, we made a video about a couple days ago. There's actually the next video I set live while I record this video. We mentioned Stratos and Nuco Cloud before as well, and there are more partners to be revealed fairly soon. Well, back in March and April, we had the layer 1 testnet and mainnet, as well as a couple other things planned. Right now in Q3 and Q4 of this year, we focus on the integration of Kip, some oracles, external data, and more sources for training data. And then over the next year, there will be different variations of Athena, number 2, 3, multimodality, and more. And if we think about this one long term compared to ChatGPT and other AIs that we have known, first of all, it's decentralized and listens to community feedback. They do build a crypto focus, so it's not just an entity like ChatGPT which exists and you can't really do anything besides using the service and integrating that. In here you can actually buy the token if you want to, whether it's on MaxC or on Uniswap, while also knowing that it already complies with EU AI data regulation, which none of the other ones over here have achieved. Now in the team, there are over 20 full-time developers with over 200 projects supported and startups, and lots of expertise, you could say, that all comes together. Also within here, they have self-governing groups to collaborate in a private community. And right now, more and more creators start their own like private group, Discord server, or school community. So just as a side note, when it comes to like different projects, if anything community based on Web3 takes off, or we have some sort of software or AI that enables to make this whole community aspect a lot more efficient, then it could be, value-wise, improve fairly easily. You can also build with them, and they have a link to their GitHub over here, or go onto their socials and read through everything, see exactly what they're working on, what their goal is. And even next month in Token 2049, the event in Singapore, the founder's going to be at, so technically, if you see him there in a month from now, you can talk to him directly. And I don't want to give you investment advice, but you see the current price, you see the market overall going up right now. Anything that is AI focused seems to do quite well too. And simply based on narrative, not even quality based, but simply based on narrative, there can be some huge gains in here the moment they are more exposed to the public, which is happening over the next month. So with more announcements, partnerships, and developments coming up fairly soon, and all the different pages in here, where I again recommend you to read through all of them, as well as a deflationary mechanism for the token and an emission schedule for 25 years. As well as fees and rewards for people that do participate in here, they have something that is built long term. Now you might say in the short term, it goes up, it goes down, it is not that established yet, but they're doing all the right things. They are doxed. They partner with known people in the industry and move forward step by step. So in case you're interested, again, not financial advice as you know, the link is down below. And when I would simply compare the quality that they have in here and what they're working on, compared to a lot of other projects that are in the top 1000 on CoinMarketCap, let's pick a random one on like page 8 or so, where we have random meme coins that nobody ever heard about, valued at $20 million, and they have a picture of a dragon and things that are set on fire. So, crypto doesn't make quite sense when it comes to valuation of tokens and their current price, their market cap, all of that. So I would simply say, if whatever this is goes to 18 million, is it that far-fetched that this will go to over more than 1.5? You gotta come to your own conclusion here. Links to everything down below, check them out for sure. And I think you guys will like this quite a lot. It's not financial advice, and at a low market cap, this can go up and down by like 5, 7, 10x within one day. So always keep the risk in mind. I will now go outside and pick up my food because I'm pretty hungry. And until next video, take care.